Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed, 16 years old and media coach in the first year school. And in today's presentation, I present you the media course. I have only one thing to mention that concerning the age category, we will welcome mentees from 12 to 18 years old, and you are not required to know or to have any previous knowledge about this media field. Now let's get started. Media. Once we hear this word, many things can come to our minds. And I'm here to mention three of them. Number one is social media platforms. And I'd love to say that every single project that we will be working on this year will be shared in the social media platforms of the first year club. Second is camera and photography, how to use camera, how to take shots. We also do that in the media course. Third, video editing, how to edit a video, and that's obviously included to our media course also. And I guarantee you, my dear mentee, that you will be improving your skills in video editing, moving on from this to this. Basically, we're gonna see many things this year. But how are we gonna learn them? How are we gonna learn a lot of skills? So I'll explain that by this. How can goals be achieved? This is early plan. It looks complicated, but it's very simple, and I'll explain it step by step. And I'll explain how you're going to learn a lot of skills, but in form of projects. Every single project will learn in it different skills, and yeah, that's it. So moving on to the first project, which is interview. We will get started with Adobe Premiere Pro. We will know how to use it for editing because it is the software that we're gonna use the whole year. We're gonna learn how to add effects, how to add graphics, and we're gonna face a bunch of equipment that will help us working in the interview project. Second one is documentary. In this project, mentees will make a storyboard. We will learn how to make it, and they will apply animation using keyframes and transitions, either complex or simple ones. And the most important thing is focusing on your presentation and communication skills, which is the main goal in the first skills club association. And also, there is one thing that I guess everyone is waiting for, which is photography and camera. Um, we will um, mentees will learn how to use a camera and shoot using it. And moving on to the third project, which is storytelling. In this project, we will work on it in a different way. We will see first how to make we'll see first the video making process. Then we're gonna face the film making through tasks, and then we're gonna learn how to write a script. What I mean by a different way is we are going to work on this project in a professional way as we are video creators. And the last project is biography. I chose to put the biography as the final year project because you're gonna need that video in your short career. You're gonna talk about yourself, your achievements, it's a biographic video. You're gonna need that in your future. Concerning the team, this course will be coached by Mohamed and Ahmed Kobi, who is me. And this course will be assisted by Mohamed Ahmed Amin Jadoli and Aslam Alek. And yeah, that is the team. That's all for this presentation. I hope you well understood everything. And if you're obsessed with cameras and video editing and media, you can. This is a great opportunity to improve your skills in this field. And thank you for watching. Join us.